Hello dear viewers. The phone I have in my hand look like say Vivo S1. This device model is Vivo S1. Now today I'll show you how to connect OTG and can use pendrive and memory card and mouse if you want. And if OTG doesn't work, I'll show you how to fix it. In order to connect OTG to the phone first, I need to take an OTG. Then the memory and card reader need to connect the 12. Then in this memory, I will connect 12 again with OTG. Second time, I will find the settings option. Second time, I have to find out the settings option of the phone in my hand. But from the phone option, then I will click on the settings. After click on settings, I will have a lot of options. From here it will show an option called others network and connection. You will see an option called other network and connection. I will click on that other network and connection, and I will see an option called OTG. I will see an option called OTG. Then if you want to use mouse and pen drive and memory card to connect OTG, you just turn it on this OTG option. You just turn it on OTG, and third time I will put this OTG on my phone. I will wait for a while after installing it, but here I can see my phone OTG is working. OTG has connected. Finally, my phone is OTG supported, and you will see an option OTG is connected. I will click on this option, and you will see your OTG files, pendrive files. And if you want to use the mouse now, I just put the mouse here and wait few seconds after installing it. But here I can see this phone is mouse working. So finally, Vivo S1 phone, fully OTG supported phone. Vivo S1 phone, fully OTG supported. And if you want to use mouse, pen drive and memory